In this video, I'm going to show you my top 2 secrets to the best yielding vegetable garden so you can grow your own tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and more. First up is this ProMix high porosity soil. We use this soil to grow all our tomatoes, peppers, herbs, as well as flowers. This soil has absolutely no fillers like tree bark, twigs, wood chips, nor any junky particles in it. It's absolutely clean and airy, and it holds water very well. We use this mainly for outdoor vegetation, but it's also great if you like to keep pots of flowers and herbs indoors. Next up is this Miracle-Gro water-soluble all-purpose plant food. This helps the vegetation to really bloom and grow bigger, as I'll show you more of the garden shortly. The package also comes with a scooper. One end holds 1.5 tablespoons and the other end is 1.5 teaspoons. Once again, we use this for all our vegetables as well as a variety of flowers. To make it more convenient to store, we have transferred the bag of Miracle-Gro plant food into a container. And what we'll do is take our watering can and put 1.5 tablespoons of the plant food directly inside the watering can. And by the way, this watering can has a 1.5 gallon capacity. So we're going to go ahead and fill up the entire watering can with water. And once the watering can starts to fill up, you'll notice that the water starts to foam up. That's normal as the plant food gets mixed and dissolved into the water. After that, we'll take the watering can and start watering our vegetation. This is one of the several tomato plants we have, and you can already see how healthy this tomato plant is and how tall it has grown so far. Here I'm zooming into the ProMix soil and then zooming out so you can see how large the plant is. And here's another tomato plant we have. Similar to the first one we showed you, this one is also extremely healthy. And both these, along with the rest of our vegetation, were grown using the ProMix soil as well as the Miracle-Gro plant food. Currently, the tomato plants are about 5 feet tall and they're still growing. And here are some peppers we're also growing. Look how many peppers there are already. And here's another one. And we even salvaged a lettuce plant that was once dying and now its leaves are nice and healthy.